This is Eyewitness Saint 96 here. We are back in a garage today looking at a overhead door. This is a 16 by 7 overhead door, and we got a vintage garage door opener. This is the tube rail. This is just like a Stanley. This is the Doorkeeper. So I gotta check this door out. This is a really nice garage door opener. He said it was from the mid-70s. If any of you guys know about this garage door opener, please let me know. We're going to give a run to it wherever the garage door button is. Where's the button? Do you have a garage door button? Yes. So yeah, there's the garage door opener. Really nice. Oh, here it is. There it goes. Very quiet. It's a very quiet door. Very cool. Very quiet. Really nice. So there's the garage door opener and stuff. He's closing it. Really nice. This is very quiet. Tube rail. Very, very quiet opener. So there you go, guys. Very nice opener. So yeah, you get another view of the garage door opener. This is a Doorkeeper. So this is a Doorkeeper. I do not know. Looks like, I don't know when the model number is. Not sure. Oh, model number. 2005. If you look up there, it says model number. So really nice, really quiet and stuff like that. Here's the bore button right here. He showed you. So there's the garage door button. So yeah, really nice garage door opener. Hope you guys enjoyed. There's a small door. Does not have an opener. So there's the small garage door. It's an old wood door. But there you guys go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of this Doorkeeper garage door opener. Very, very nice.